Today we are making Mormor's moon cookies slash vanilla sugar cookies. I don't know what to call. I call them moon cookies, so we shall call them moon cookies. Morning Kakor. It's a hybrid of my grandmother's recipe and the one in the book. Let's get to baking. Mormor, my grandmother always calls it, ooh, it's probably too much. Always calls it mooncake cookies, and that's what we've always done, so that's what we're doing today. And we always typically use green food coloring, but I don't have that, but I have red, and it's the holidays, so it makes sense. You're supposed to do this first so it can dry with the food coloring, and then you just go like this. I think that did it. And you put that aside, and now you wait for your almonds to boil.
So the almonds were boiling for a minute.
Yeah! There we go.
And now we're straining it out. And then run it over cold water.
If I remember correctly, more bought pre-peeled almonds, so she probably had the right idea here. Oh, look at that though. Comes off handy.
Boom.
Now, you just have to chop them. Note to self though, if you can buy peeled almonds, this will probably make your life a little easier. Now comes the easy part. You put all of your ingredients on a flat surface. I don't know, maybe not the floor, but you do you. And then 300 grams of flour, 2 to 3 things of vanilla sugar, 1 deciliter of your chopped almonds. And then I'm just gonna cut 200 grams of butter and then put that in there. And then voila, that's your cookie. Now you just eat it with a spoon.
Spoons out.
Just kidding. You mix it. This is all supposed to come together like a little dough.
Bam.
See, it came together. Now I think this is kind of like dough. So we're gonna let it get cold a little bit because of that butter, so it's a little easier to work with. So I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for just a little bit. The recipe says a little bit. Who makes directions like that? But it's fine. I'm gonna call my grandmother here in a second too and see what she says. But we're gonna put it in the fridge for just a little bit. So just talk to Mormor. It appears you're supposed to let it be in the fridge overnight, but it's fine. That's why you call her before you start baking. But she said it was fine, and she's done it the same day. I think the issue is it just gets a little crummy when it's not been in the fridge. Start to gently roll it out. Supposed to be able to make 40. Now we're gonna cut it into about 8 centimeters. Do you think that's about 8 centimeters?
I feel like you should just try to make it like bite-sized cookie-ish, whatever that is to you.
And you put it like that, and it's a moon. Get it?
Perfect.
Now we just need to do that 39 more times. They look like moons, right?
I think so.
Okay, we're gonna put it in the oven for like 6 minutes, and then as soon as they get out of the oven, that's when you dip it in the sugar. It's something minutes.
A little more than 5.
They're supposed to be a little bit of golden, which I don't think. What do you think? Like 2 more minutes?
Let's give it 1 and see where we're at.
No, they're still so soft. Alexa, stop. We're gonna call it done. Then, this is the best part. You're gonna burn your hands because you have to dip it in sugar really fast and not break them, which I clearly already did. I don't know what to do.
You want me to do it?
No. Okay. Gentle. Dip it. Hot! Hot, 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 hot. And flip it. Bam. Hot, 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 hot.
We'll be back when we've done a few more.
Hot, 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 hot. Wanna be banana over here. But if you tilt your head, it's a moon. Fika for you. More style.
So I have had these before.
That's true.
And they're pretty delicious, but let's see how we did. Well, one, let's see how it breaks.
You heard
Immediately it falls apart.
It's
It
literally,
looks good though.
it's literally just butter. Is it good? Is it melting?
I love butter.
Yay. Oh, here's a spatula.
These cookies are good with stuff like coffee or tea in the afternoon. They just melt in your mouth, so it's like perfect if you're having a coffee and just a little light cookie that'll just break off and melt away.
Indeedio. What bake was this? 14? A little slow.
No, 19.
Oh, almost to 20.